Hey guys, this is Jason and Chris on a channel called
Charizard Gamer 5000.
And we're playing a game called Animal Lines today,
which you can find on the computer on www.abcia.com. So let's go start. So me and Jason have been testing this out, and let's start level 1. So all you have to do is drag my mouse and drag it, and you have to fill in all the blocks and use the
We're only on this one. So
well, we were on level like 23, I want to say, on this, but we just wanted to test it out and see how it is doing, and it is a good game. And oh, I did something wrong. Okay. I did something wrong, I can tell.
Oh, I know how to do this.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get it?
Oh, wait.
No,
wait. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have to fill in all the blocks. Oh, wait. And that's how you do it. Let's go on to the third stage. So I'm going to do the first 10 stages. And then Jason, my brother Jason, which you've heard in the beginning of the video,
is going to do
the next 20. The next 10.
10.
No, 10, yes. So let's go. So we're on stage 5. They're very easy levels, but then when you get up to harder levels, they get a little confusing. But I love how they wiggle. They wiggle good. How do you do this?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm willing.
On YouTube. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm willing.
So this is our second video. So that's why you guys haven't seen this game before. But it's a fun game. I think I messed this up.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
How didn't I?
I kind of.
Yeah, I messed it. This up. Yup. I see the problem. Whoa. Oh yeah, I see. You have to go here.
I don't get it.
Oh. I don't get it either. Let's go see.
No, I know.
How? Oh, you go the other way.
No.
Yeah. And then you go over here.
Oh, I saw it differently.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? I didn't see it. I saw it like that. Oh, wait. Yes. So... Wait. It's not touching. It's not touching. So, guys, I may do, like, different voices and I may laugh in this video. So, we're going to go up to, I think, the first 30. And then this has 75 courses. I said that a little long. And yeah. You can leave a subscribe in the video if you like this. And you can use a thumbs up on the likes. Yeah. How do you do this? Oh, here it is. Jay, do you see that?
Yeah.
No, I don't see this. Oh, I got it. No. Yeah, we're going over here. And, oh, Chicky. Oh, dang it. No. Then it goes all the way over there. Yes. It's as you can see, that's how many turns we've made right here. 8 out of 4. And it's pretty normal. It's pretty normal, I'd say. Okay. Here we go. Oh. I guess this is all you do. Wow, that's fairly easy. Fairly easy. Ooh, perfect clear. Nice. Oh, this is fairly easy. Again, this is one of those easy ones. There's a lot of easy ones in this game, and it's very, very easy. This game you can find, as I said, on www.abc.com. I don't know if you can find it at the App Store. I just know that you can get it on the computer. This computer is a little old, that's why it may load a little.
And it might not work a little.
It may not work a little bit, but it's okay. So I've got again a perfect clear.
4 to 4.
No, it's 4 out of 4, I think.
Yes, it's 4 to 4.
Okay. Yay. This game is good. This is why this game is... Dang it, I messed it up. So that's why we're gonna see. What? Oh, I got it. That was fairly easy. I just forgot how to do this. Stage 14. Oh no, Jay, you're supposed to go in. Yeah, you gotta go. Let's go change. What are you doing? So let's go see how it's. Yeah, get it in. And that was fairly easy. It's another one that was fairly easy. Really easy how to do this game. As you can see, it may be a little blurry. So yes, let me just move the camera. Yeah, so camera's a little blurry. That's good. So yeah, once you get up to stage 25, I'll take it from here. No, we can't. Oh yeah, right. So we're going up to. Let's go up to stage 25. No, stage 30, 40 today, I guess. And then, I don't know, we may get up to that. Yeah, let's get up to 25. And then we'll stop. Because I did 14, Jay's gonna do 15. He's been playing more than I have. Oh, the sheep! The sheep, I love the sheep. Yeah, the sheep. The sheep. Ooh. Oh, I got it, I know how to do that.
Yeah, I didn't good.
Yeah, I know how to. That is. Oh, I know how to do that now, but it's gonna cut into the panda. No, not the panda, the bear. Oh, no, it isn't. Oh, nice job. Yeah. Sideways. I don't get what's going on. You want me to? Oh, nope, you got it.
Next is, the bear got cut off.
Oh yeah, the bear did.
Oh,
I got the lamb. Yeah, that's how you do. Yeah. Nice.
You took a lot, 19 out of 5.
It says normal clear though.
What kind of?
It says. Yeah. So, as you can see, Jay, I feel, is doing a pretty good job. I think he did that a little long.
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah. Yes. Nice job, yes. Oh no. And again, this is one of those mess up ones. I haven't said that before, but it's one of those mess up ones where they mess you up and they try to confuse you. Got it? Yes. Yeah, so that's why we saw this, we tried it before to see how easy and how hard it would be. It's confusing. It doesn't use a lot of focus. Jay, I don't think you did that wrong. Nope, you need the raccoon. You see the raccoon?
Oh. I did that wrong.
The raccoon.
I did that wrong.
All you did was the raccoon. Oh, that was fairly easy. That's another one of those tricky ones. Yes, it is. Yeah, as I can see, sometimes we mess up. Messing up is a little fine. It's just fine. Messing up. Oh. I think you messed up the raccoon and the chick. If you need my help, I'll give it to you.
I know how to do this.
Okay, if you just need help, just tell me. Okay, you got it? You got it? Nice.
I got 13 out of 4.
Yay. The sheep. I love the sheep. The sheep. The sheep. Bah. 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 I can't say it. Oh, I got that one. You don't just... Jay, that's not how you do it. I don't think that's how you... No, that's not how you... Again, this is one of those tricky ones. Jay, I know what you do. I got tricked on this one too.
Wait a minute, no, I got this.
To go over. Yeah, so I had to help Jay with that too.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how you do it. You're supposed to go over with the chicken. Oh, or you can't. I just went over with the chicken. That's all I did. Yeah, and then you go over with the lamb. Over with the lamb. Oh, no.
Nope.
Yeah, you go like that.
Nope.
I don't get why this... Sometimes it doesn't go like sideways. Sideways. Oop, I pushed the chair. I love how it shows like the grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. No, that's...
Yeah.
Where's the chick gonna go? Poor chickie. Poor little chickie. I think you did the grizzly bear wrong.
Oh yeah, I did the grizzly.
Yeah, you did the grizzly bear wrong. The grizzly bear wrong. The grizzly bear wrong. Oh, I got this. Yes. Do you go that way or that way? So guys, we may stop in a little bit. After this level, I think we'll stop for the day. And Jay, I don't know. Oh, the bear. The bear was right there.
Bear?
You saw the grizzly bear?
Oh, no.
You saw the grizzly bear.
I think you could
Just to say, guys, I'm not laughing at Jay. I'm just seeing, like, the movement. Like, you know how you laugh when the movement is, like, weird.
Oh.
Oh, here. Here's another one of those tricky ones. Again. Move it up. Yeah, so once we get up to stage 21, we are definitely gonna finish for the day. So, yeah. I'm gonna X out of this.
31 out of 4.
I'm gonna ask. No, it's okay. No, let's go. So we're just gonna do X. So, guys, after this course, we are gonna finish for the day.
I messed this up.
If you need my help, I can help.
I messed this up again somehow.
I got it.
Oh, now I got it.
Oh, wait.
Oh. Move.
Oh, no.
I know how to do this.
Oh, I got this.
Yeah, and I got this now.
And then the grizzly bear goes all the way around, and then the raccoon. Nope. You didn't leave room for the raccoon.
I know.
The raccoon. It's kind of frustrating, I feel, when they say fill in all the blocks, and it's kind of frustrating when you're doing it and then it says fill in the blocks. And we're gonna stop right there. Let's go X out.
Those were the hamsters.
So let's go X out. So we will see you guys later. Stay tuned. You're allowed to subscribe. You're allowed to view and all that stuff. See you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Now we gotta.
Pause the video.
We're rewinding.